Welcome to Bangkok, one of the most vibrant, chaotic, and exciting cities in the world. From its bustling street markets to breathtaking temples, this city is packed with energy, culture, and of course, amazing food. I'm Eunice, and I'll be your guide to some of Bangkok's vegan gems, so join me on this delicious adventure. Let's check it out. First, I had to check into the only vegan bed and breakfast in Bangkok, Navela Paplern. Each room is charmingly furnished, clean, and has everything you need. The kind staff even leaves cookies on your bed at night. But the best part is the worry-free vegan breakfast included with your stay.
Okay, so breakfast is included in your stay at Navela Paplern, and they have this beautiful pesto toast with mushrooms and tomato, and then they have this beautiful tea set thing that has a crispy, almost like a hash brown, but elevated. I'll take it. And of course, oat milk default, because everything's vegan with your coffee. I am obsessed with all things pesto, so I cannot wait to try this. It's massive too. This pesto is incredible.
Right? And the bread too, it's not dry.
It's nice and crispy.
Yes.
This is the first time we have Western food in 3 weeks. Okay, I'm trying this hash brown thing now. Oh, this is so good. So it is a fried vegetable fritter, and then they also serve you fruit on top. But if you're like me and you don't like fruit as any of your dessert, they have cakes of all different kinds, vegan. Already I'm off to a great start. I'm obsessed with this place. It's a cute little neighborhood. The MRT station is really close by as well.
But another fun way to get around is through Bangkok's ferry boats, because they're a key part of the city's transportation system, offering a fast and scenic way to navigate on the Chao Phraya River, avoiding busy streets. Just FYI, it's cash only, and we decided to take it to the last stop, the Icon Siam Mall. This is Bangkok's ultimate luxury mall, featuring high-end shopping, a giant indoor replica of a floating market, and since we were starving and craving our first Thai meal, we found Peppery Bistro because we saw they had a vegetarian menu, and we also confirmed with Google Translate that they didn't use fish sauce. So we got a papaya salad, red curry, pad thai, and fried tofu. We kind of wish we had walked around the food market more because we found so many other things to eat, but one of the most important things you have to try are the kanam kruks, which are like Thai mini coconut milk pancakes. Once cooked, they have a custard-like filling on the inside. They're seriously some of the best things you will ever eat. Incredible. Last but not least, you must go up the rooftop of the mall for stunning riverside views of the city. The next day, it was time to visit some must-see temples in Bangkok because they're a glimpse into Thailand's rich history, spiritual traditions, and breathtaking architecture. I can't pronounce the names, so I've listed them here for you, but these sacred sites provide a deeper understanding of Thai culture while offering a peaceful escape from the city's bustling energy. In Thailand, Wat means temple, specifically a Buddhist temple complex. It typically includes a main prayer hall, stupas, monk living quarters, and beautifully ornate architecture, often serving both as a religious and community center. But after temple hopping, you will need to fuel up by the nearby restaurant Bigan Vegan. Bigan Vegan offers traditional Thai-style dishes but 100% plant-based. So we ordered the larb, which is a vegan version of the traditional minced pork, green curry with beautiful colored rice, and ratna, which are fried rice noodles. Trust me, I was in heaven. Everything was so good, especially because I was starved. They even have cakes and Thai iced tea. Then it was time to explore the main attraction, the Grand Palace. But first, some tips. So we're at the Grand Palace. If you want to enter any of the Buddhist temples or palaces, you need to cover your shoulders and your legs. They don't allow cameras. They allow phones, so you can still film with your phone camera, which is what I'm doing now. But just something to know if you want to come visit. Come prepared. If not, you're going to have to buy something. The Grand Palace costs 500 Thai baht, which is about $15 US. This palace is one of Thailand's most breathtaking landmarks, showcasing intricate architecture, gilded temples, and centuries of royal history. Built in 1782, it served as the official residence of Thai kings for over 150 years and remains a deeply significant cultural site. Within its walls, you'll find the famous Emerald Buddha, one of the most sacred and revered Buddhist statues in the country, making this a must-visit spot for anyone exploring Bangkok. Make sure not to miss the Grand Palace in the back, as you might mistake it for the splendor around it. Next was a tourist attraction that I think might be worth trying just once, The Chao Phraya Princess Cruise offers a fun way to experience Bangkok at night. The cruise guides along the river with stunning views of the iconic landmarks like the Grand Palace and Wat Arun. The cruise costs $35 and you can request vegan options, but I'll be honest, they're not the best. But I wanted to do it more for the vibe and the views of the skyline, and it's a perfect mix of sightseeing, and if you like partying, they have that too. Now you can't leave Bangkok without a massage, so we went to At Ease in the Sukhumvit area. They welcome you with a butterfly pea flower tea and a questionnaire of where you want to get your massage. We chose the $33 option, which included the brown rice enzyme bath and a 1-hour massage. Definitely a must try. We are sweating. We just went in this rice bran wooden bath. They leave you there for 15 minutes. You're literally covered in rice bran. It's like a sauna, but with soil.
So 10-minute walk from there though is vegan Khao Soi. If you've never had Khao Soi, this is an experience that you need to have. It used to be one of my favorite dishes before going vegan. Going vegan, it's a problem because the noodles are usually egg noodles. However, here it's cool that they specify that all the different noodles they have, and all of them are egg-free. They have a variety of noodles. You can even get a set, so you can try 4 different kinds in addition to Khao Soi. Apparently it is for sure made for 2 people. We were tempted to each order our own set, but she was like, no. She's like, don't do that. You know, we eat a lot, so we get excited. But anyways, so this is Khao Soi. It's a creamy coconut broth, typically with egg noodles, again, no egg. We usually have fried egg noodles, but these are crispy mushroom straws. So they've really done a good job of substituting all the non-vegan things for vegan items, which I really appreciate. All right, trying out this broth first before I add chili oil, because you know me, I get chili happy. Oh, wow. Oh, this is so good. I will be adding chili oil. It's not spicy. So far, the noodles look incredible. So here goes. It could be that I'm starving, but this is what I remember to be the textures of the noodles are perfect. If you want the set, if you want to try Khao Soi vegan with a bunch of other dishes vegan, you have to come here and go to the spa.
Now, something you must do when you visit Bangkok is go to a night market. They're super popular and that's where all the life is, and we were recommended to go to the Jod Fair's Rama 9 market. And there wasn't a lot of vegan options, but you know me, I'm determined and I found one. And I found a pad thai stall that advertised vegetarian, and just so you know, the only thing that you would need to remove is the egg.
Chili?
Yes, please.
A little bit?
Yes.
Okay. Lime?
Yes.
Lime.
Please. Thank you.
It looks good.
And also, because I have a sweet tooth, I also found this incredible coconut mango ice cream. You have to ask just to double check, but for the most part, it is common to find coconut only ice cream. That's right, 100% coconut, no cow's milk. So this guy just cut it open, let the water out, scraped out all the coconut meat, and then added some of the coconut ice cream, and then added the sweetest mango you will ever have. You guys, I was in heaven. Now, if you're wondering, Eunice, I wish I had all of these recommendations all in one spot. Well, today's your lucky day because they are all in one spot. I'm going to be leaving the link below to this page that's free to download. It's an app or desktop version, and it has my own personal comments, maps. You can even book hotels and tours. It's all in one place just for you. And you can also find it on my homepage right there on my YouTube channel. So make sure to give it a click to have it all in one place. But the next day, I was up for an epic vegan brunch.
Okay, so now we're at Ethos Vegan Vegetarian Restaurant. It's in the Khao San Road area, which is nice because this area has a lot of vegan vegetarian restaurants, so you have options if you're here. What I like about this place that drew me to it is that they're very health forward. So not only do they have a huge variety of menu items like Thai dishes or Westernized Middle Eastern, but they don't use MSG. You can choose between tempeh, homemade tempeh, or tofu. You can choose olive oil or coconut oil. I was kind of surprised of how health forward they are. I'm gonna show you guys a few dishes that we got here. The ambiance is really cute. You take off your shoes while you get in here. You can sit down on the floor or you can sit at tables. So let me show you what we got. Okay, so I got my first two appetizers here. It's papaya salad. That's something you have to get. It's very common here. You can choose your spice level between mild, medium, or hot. I got medium. It's gonna be spicier than US medium, but I'm prepared for it. I love it. And then we also got their homemade tempeh because I just wanted to try it. So let's start with the tempeh. I'm usually not a tempeh person. Most of the times because it's sometimes too sour for me, but let's see. This one's actually really good. It doesn't taste sour at all, actually. And it comes with like a peanut sauce, so that's really good. And then let me just try this papaya salad. If you haven't had papaya salad, I highly recommend. Super refreshing, especially when it's super hot here. This is actually not that spicy. I don't know if they did that because we're not from here, even though we ordered medium, but listen, I'll take it. Okay, so the entrees have arrived, yes. We go all out here. We want to try a bunch of different things. We ordered like 5 things. I'm traveling with one friend. But we usually do a good job. Okay, so let me show you everything that we got. So I got a mushroom curry. If you've never had a mushroom curry, it's delicious because it has almost like a peanut base. It's delicious. It has a lot of vegetables. I got it with tofu, but you can also get it with tempeh. Got pineapple fried rice because I haven't had that yet since we got here to Thailand. You gotta have all things pineapple here. Yeah, now let's try this and I'm ready to feast. Oh wow, oh my God. This is delicious. I mean, I don't think you can go wrong with any of the curries here. This is delicious, it's so good. It's a perfect level of spiciness. Let me try this pineapple fried rice. The pineapple is so fresh. The fruit here is amazing. Anywhere you go, just have fruit. This is definitely a spot you gotta try. It's really cute. Make sure to check it out.
Afterward, feel free to explore Khao Soi Road, which is known for its bustling streets and open market and lively ambiance. But we weren't done exploring the temples. Wat Arun, also known as the Temple of Dawn, is one of Bangkok's most iconic landmarks, which is why it's very common to see people having full-on photo shoots. It's known for its stunning riverside location and beautifully ornate spires decorated with colorful porcelain. Visiting at sunrise or sunset offers breathtaking views of the Chao Phraya River, and climbing the Central Prong rewards you with a panoramic view of the city. It was amazing. But the next day was actually Thanksgiving and we were celebrating in Bangkok with my friend Desaya, who's also the owner of Shrew Meats, and she took us to one of her favorite vegan restaurants, Vegan Mahanakan. Vegan Mahanakan is such a gem. It's tucked inside a beautifully restored century-old house near Wat Arun, and it serves up classic Thai dishes that you typically never see vegan. So it's definitely an experience you can't miss. Then Desaya took us to Chen Sim A, a popular Thai dessert shop known for its customizable shaved ice treats. Featuring a variety of toppings like hearts of palm, jackfruit, and coconut agar. Many of their offerings are naturally vegan, especially when topped with coconut milk or longan juice, so don't miss on the Thai melon and get the number 3. Next, we went to the Ong An Canal in Bangkok. It's a lively cultural hub where you can stroll along colorful murals, and we found a spot called Ing Tea House, which is a Taiwanese spot that served a vegan coconut ice cream option wrapped with peanuts and cilantro. That might sound weird, but trust me, it's not. It was actually very delicious. Just specify coconut ice cream, no dairy with your translate cards and you will be fine. They also serve a Thai iced tea with oat milk out the window next door, but afterward we strolled through Bangkok's Little India because Desaya had told us about a Burmese chickpea tofu stall that we had to try.
Oh, it's nice. Chickpea tofu. All vegan Burmese chickpea tofu, chickpea noodles, fried chickpea in the middle of an alley. I love it.
Then we had to end the night by catching a Muay Thai fight, Thailand's national sport. Watching this in Bangkok is a thrilling experience. They even have a DJ. It gives you a front row seat to Thailand's deep-rooted martial arts tradition. And watching the betting crowd is just as fun. Something you probably didn't know you could do is find vegan food in Chinatown. That's right. Going to a night market is a must, and Chinatown actually had so many vegan options. I was honestly blown away. They had this fried dough that literally just said fried dough, and I was like, well, that's gotta be vegan. I always asked with Google Translate if it was vegan, and they confirmed. And this was just fried dough covered in sugar with some black sesame. Honestly, it was fun to try. Then we stumbled upon vegetable dumplings. I mean, can you ever go wrong with vegetable dumplings? And then we even found soy milk soft serve ice cream. Soy milk soft serve. Is it sweet or is it savory? Is it like soybean? Then we happened to walk by what looked like red bean pancakes, and so we tried that as well. Honestly, this was a fun and unexpected experience. For the last day, we had to explore a floating market, one of the icons of Bangkok.
I'm at Muay Floating Market. Floating markets are something very iconic in Thailand and Bangkok specifically. The most famous one is actually about 2 hours away, so make sure to book a tour or something if you really want to go there or figure out transportation. We obviously didn't figure that out soon enough, so we are here 40 minutes away from the city. We just took a Grab car. It cost about $14 US to get here, so it's not bad. As soon as I walked in, I saw a fried tofu stand, and I was hungry, so I couldn't help myself. You get a mix. They have fried tofu, fresh tofu, whatever, and then they give you some chili sauce as well. So, yeah, I have it all over my face already. I never have napkins. The tofu isn't marinated or anything, but I just love that they just have fried tofu with sauce. If you want your protein for the day, the market has got you apparently.
Next, I was on a mission to see what other vegan options I could find. Take note that this is not a touristy spot, so there's a lot of locals, so you're gonna have to use your Google Translate. But it was really cool to see all the produce, and then we found corn that we could have. This corn was so yellow and bright, it honestly almost looked like plastic. And then there was jackfruit and other fresh fruits we could have. It was just cool to see the bustling market in its prime. You can see all the different local options that are available, things that are popular souvenirs, and it was just cool to see how exactly this market is floating. But after stumbling through the market more, we eventually found these chive and spinach dumplings. So I got 2 little baggies full of them, and they were delicious.
So as you can see, Bangkok is an experience. I was here a full week and I still didn't even get to do half the things I wanted to do. At first I was worried, I was like, is 1 week too long? No, there's so much to do here. Honestly, you could spend a whole month in just Thailand and check out all the different cities. Tips to know about Bangkok, if you haven't caught on to them already, Grab bikes, for example, are gonna be faster than taxis because of the traffic. It's insane here. So when it's traffic hour, you're gonna be easiest on the bikes because they get through. Ask for a helmet, although just know that sometimes they're not gonna have helmets, so you're at your own risk. Metro, learn how to use that as well because that's really beneficial. Depending on where you are, like in Sukhumvit, which is a very happening area, if you like nightlife, etc., that's where you wanna stay. Pranakorn is the old town. There's also close to the temples as well. The vegan hotel that I stayed at is actually about 20 minutes away, as you saw, and so you can choose for a couple days. It's kind of worth it because I would wake up in the morning and not have to worry about my breakfast because I knew it was already vegan. So honestly, I really enjoyed the experience and it was really cute. I would stay there again. So overall, make sure to plan out your trip. There's so much different things you can do and see. So if you plan it out correctly, you can see everything that you want. Go to a Muay Thai fight. That is so much fun. When else are you gonna get to do that? So hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you next time on Ready to Be. Bye.